Okay, welcome to the next video. We're going to do cricket now. So the aim of the game is to bowl a cricket ball into a tumble dryer. This might be an easier one, so we'll see how this video pans out. So don't forget to like and subscribe, I'd much appreciate it. So yeah, let's crack in with this video. And I'll show you how to bowl a ball. So what you do, obviously in cricket, when you bowl a ball, I think you go like that. There's not much room here. Like that. So that's how you bowl a cricket ball, doing like one spin and that. So that's, let's do best of 5. In fact, shall we go a bit further and do best of 10? That's 1-0. I don't know if you use points in cricket, I'm not too sure like that. Ooh. Not far. Oh, okay. Oh, not bad. I've done looking up to have stuff going down the stairs. Oh, that's all day today. 2-0. Ooh, it came back to me. Well done, ball. Well done. 3-0. Four 0. 5-0. I've got the swing of this. Is that 5-0? We've only been going 2 minutes. I don't know what happened there. Oh, not bad. Oh dear. Another ball gone down the stairs, just bear with me. We're up to 5-0. I've got the tennis ball as well on me here. So that's 5-0. 6-0. I don't know. You can't do it back, so that's 6 points so far. 7. In and out. Do best of 10. Ooh. Ooh, not quite. Don't you dare go down those bloody stairs. I think we've need 8 now. That's 9. Oh no, that's 8. That's 9. And it's rolled back out with the tumble dryer there. That's 10. Okay, this hasn't been another short video, right? This has been a cricket challenge, yeah. I don't know if that's how you bowl the ball to the cricket players. So yeah, I've got 10 points in a blue tumble dryer. So, yeah, these are much more easier than the football ones today that I'm doing. So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe, I much appreciate it. Subscribe to my second channel down below, the link's in the description. Yeah, and I'll see you in the next video.